Welcome. If you want to make video calls directly from your Gmail app, enabling the Meet tab is the way to go. In this guide, I'll show you how to display the Meet tab in your Gmail app with the latest steps, so you can start or join video meetings with just a tap. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. This is where all your emails live, but it's also where you can access Google Meet for video calls. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to enter your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Tap on the email account where you want to enable the Meet tab. This step is important if you use multiple accounts, as you'll need to turn on the Meet tab for each one individually. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Meet. Here, you'll see an option that says, Show the Meet tab for video calling. To enable the Meet tab, simply check the box next to this option. That's it. The Meet tab will now appear at the bottom of your Gmail app, right alongside your Mail tab. With this feature turned on, you can quickly join or start video calls without leaving Gmail. If you ever change your mind or want to declutter your app, you can follow these same steps to uncheck the box and remove the Meet tab. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to connect with friends, family, or colleagues through video calls, all from your Gmail app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand setting up their Meet tab.